Hi, this is Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers, and today I'm excited to share with you my March class to go. This month I am featuring a super cute stamp set called Fable Friends, and in this class you're going to get to make 4 cards, a cute little basket, and a little treat holder. Let me show you a peek at what you're going to get to do. So there's 4 different cards that you're going to get to make in this class. They're super cute, very springy and Eastery, but just a very fun set to have. And you're going to make a cute little treat holder, this pillow box. And you'll also get some extra pillow boxes. You'll have 5 total to make some extra or do something extra with them. And then you're going to get to make this cute little basket as well. So that's what you're going to get to make this month. In addition to your feet, you're going to get a full bolt of the white woven ribbon and a full pack of our beautiful gingham designer series paper. This is 6x6, and look at these very pretty colors. It's kind of a small on this side and a little bit bigger on the back. So you get the full package of this included in your $35 class fee. So these products alone with your extra boxes are just over $20 to make these projects. And then I'm featuring this stamp set. So if you do not have this stamp set, you can add that on as well because you will need it to complete your projects. And the other thing I should mention is I did use our Stampin' Up blends to do a lot of the coloring. So if you'd like to order those through me as well, if you don't have them, you can shoot me a message and I can tell you what colors I use. But I hope you will enjoy this super fun and cute class this month with me. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you'd like to order this class, go ahead and click the link in the description below. The day that the class ships, you will receive a PDF with colored pictures and step-by-step on how to assemble all of your projects. Thank you.